First Florida Motorsports is pleased to present this 2023 Honda Civic Sport. This one has the optional gray pearl paint and a very rare manual transmission, black wheels. This vehicle is as close to new as you can get. The only flaw we found on the car, there's a little chip in the bumper right there. All the wheels are perfect. Interior is spotless, non-smoker's car. Both keys, all books, manuals, window sticker. Still smells new inside. Look at the odometer. Just spectacular condition. Again, this is the Sport. FirstFloridaMotors.com. It also has tinted windows, nice dark tint for Florida.